The Flower is a multimedia program designed for preschool and lower elementary school children with dyslexia. It aims to help children improve their communication skills and build social relationships with others. Furthermore, it encourages children to read in a natural environment for a long time, maintaining a subtle intervention effect and enhancing their reading ability. Parents play a crucial role in the intervention treatment of children. The Flower operates with dual accounts, divided into a parent account and a child account. The parent account can receive the child's learning information and match games with the child. After registration, the Flower will ask the parent questions to initially understand the child's situation and conduct a vocabulary test to determine the course difficulty. After completion, the parent needs to guide the child to familiarize themselves with the operation method of the Flower. Entering the child account, you can see 5 sections of content: story section, chat section, community section, game section, and personal section. The interface theme is light blue. Blue can help children concentrate, and the light color does not increase the visual burden of children with dyslexia. The home page displays the vocabulary mastery situation and guides children to review vocabulary. Entering the story page, the story shows in the form of a fun picture book. The font is set as a sans serif font with a size of 19, which is the most convenient for children with dyslexia. The story text uses color film covering technology, adding a light blue background to assist reading. The sentence layout is left aligned with many line breaks to help children with sentence segmentation. The software will monitor the child's reading speed and give positive feedback when the speed improves. After completing the story reading, there is a role imitation section to enhance the child's learning interest. A discussion area is set up where children can send text or voice messages. The discussion area does not display usernames or likes, and there is a limit for sending text to create a low text density interface environment. Children can imitate the lines of their favorite characters, and the AI will recognize the correct reading content before allowing them to pass this section. Encourage children to continue the story to stimulate their reading interest and guide them to reread the story. After learning, there is a word and character filling section. The words and characters come from story fragments to help children with situational memory. Mainly, it trains children with the same morpheme and the same pronunciation of words to improve their reading level. The contact list section uses a simple interface designed to reduce text density and present the main information. Users can only choose system-generated gradient color avatars and do not support using personalized pictures. In the chat section, there is a large text spacing, and colors and layout are used to help children distinguish between the two chat parties. Voice input and picture sending are available. Encourage children to communicate with others and use Chinese characters in life scenarios to improve their reading ability. The social section mainly features friends dynamics. Children can post their own dynamics, supporting text input, voice input, and picture sending. They can like and comment on dynamics. Different dynamic messages are distinguished by gradient colors, and keywords are enlarged to help children capture key visual elements more easily. There is no word limit for posting dynamics. To ensure that the visual attention is not distracted, the background picture of the social section does not provide a personalized setting function. Users can choose a single color they like as the background. The game section includes 2 mini-games, Grid Walk and You Draw I Guess. Grid Walk has 2 modes, single player and 2-player, with different levels determining the game difficulty. Grid Walk uses a grid as the base, marked with Chinese characters such as red light, green light, and wolf. Children need to control the character to walk in the correct direction and reach the destination in the shortest time. Chinese characters like forest and stone are impassable, and encountering wolf is considered a game failure. Knowledge such as red and green lights helps children understand social common sense, and the grid characters help children with visual span training. The specific level characters will be intelligently replaced with new characters the child has recently learned to help them consolidate and review. Children can invite friends to play a 2-player race to compete in speed. Both players start at the same time, and the one who reaches the gate in the center first is the winner. This 2-player game not only promotes interaction among children but also trains their speed reading skills, thereby improving their reading proficiency. You Draw I guess requires matching with a parent's account. Once started, parents receive a drawing prompt. They need to draw the corresponding item. The drawing made by the parents is only visible to themselves. Children can see the movement trajectory of the parent's pen, with only a blue dot representing the parent's pen moving in real time on the screen. Children need to follow this dot and draw the path it takes to try to reproduce the parent's drawing as accurately as possible. At the end, children guess the name of the item drawn by the parents. If they guess correctly, both will score points together. This game mainly trains children's visual attention, enhances the parent-child relationship, and cultivates children's cooperative abilities. The personal interface displays the vocabulary learned this week. The data is presented to children in simple statistical graphs. The little flower shows the child's overall score for the week, encouraging children to use the product to learn vocabulary. The data is synchronized to the child's parent's account, encouraging parents to participate in the intervention work. The software has an anti-addiction function, and it will automatically log out when the daily online time limit is reached.